Dear students, I start with lecture 41 of 101 and 102. In the previous lecture, we learned L-Hospital first law and second law. So have a look and then we go further for the sums of the L-Hospital rule. As I said earlier, both of these f and g are real functions. F a g a equal to 0 and f and g are continuous on a to a plus h. Both are differentiable on open a to a plus h, and differentiation of g dash x is not equal to 0 as we put it in the denominator. And f dash a upon g dash a exists, then the limit both are equal. Now what we are doing here, આપણે અહીંયા શું કરીએ છીએ કે આનું વિકલન કરીએ છીએ અને આનું વિકલન કરીએ છીએ. We differentiate numerator as well as different denominator separately and we put x equal to a, and though we get f dash a upon g dash a. And similarly in the second case also, most of the things are similar, and then limit x tends to a fx upon gx equal to L. At that time this limit with the differentiation also have the same value. Also, I mentioned in the previous lecture that f tends to infinity in this second law means 1 upon f tends to 0, g tends to infinity, 1 upon g tends to 0. So this will give you the first law part in some equal contest. જરા જોઈ લો અને પછી આપણે આગળ જઈએ. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus b raised to x upon x. Evaluate limits using L-Hospital rules. હવે આનો ઉપયોગ કરીશું. જો આપણે હવે x બરાબર 0 લખો તો a raised to 0, b raised to 0. હા, so limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus b raised to x upon x. હવે જુઓ તમે x બરાબર 0 મૂકો અહીંયા તો a raised to 0, b raised to 0 upon 0 એટલે આ શું થાય 1 minus 1 upon 0. આ પહેલો દાખલો છે એટલે હું આ બધું લખું છું, તમને સમજણ પડે. 1 minus 1 means it is 0 upon 0. બાકી આટલું જ લખવાનું છે. હવે L-Hospital rule શું કહે છે? As per L-Hospital rule, આપણે ઉપર અને નીચે ન્યુમરેટરમાં અંશમાં અને છેદમાં વિકલન કરવાનું છે. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, a raised to x log a, b raised to x log b, અને x નું x થી વિકલન વર્ગ. હવે જો તમે આની અંદર x બરાબર 0 મૂકી દો એટલે શું થાય a raised to 0 log a minus b raised to 0 log b means I have 1 log a minus log b. So this is equal to log a upon b. I know answer. Okay, I know jawab છે. So this is an example of limit by L hospital rule. So there is one more sum on the board. Limit x tends to 1 upon log x minus x upon x minus 1. So first we have to simplify it, and then we will find its solution. Answer. Limit x tends to 1 upon log x minus x upon x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 minus x log x upon x minus 1 into log x. Simply we have taken calculations and LCM of x minus 1 and log x. Now at this juncture, if we put x equal to 1, what we will have? Just check it. X equal to 1 means 1 minus 1 0. 1 into log 1 means numerator is 0. X is 1 means it is 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into 0. So it is 0 upon 0. 0 upon 0. Okay, you understand. Otherwise you put value of x equal to 1, you will find it. Both these values are equal to 0. And therefore at this juncture we can use L hospital rule. So this is equal to limit x tends to 1, 1 minus 0, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, that of 1 is 0, 1 plus log x. So derivation of x with respect to x will be 1, means log x as it is, and x as it is, and derivation of log x is 1 upon x, at that time it is 1. So we applied the rule of differentiation by multiplication. Here it is x minus 1 upon x plus log x. Derivation of log x is 1 upon x, and that of x minus 1 is 1, because 1 minus 0. So we have this. See that. No. So this is equal to minus 1 minus log x. So it is, we have taken minus sign in common, means it is limit x tends to 1 log x upon 1 minus 1 upon x plus log x. 1 minus 1 means it is 0 and minus sign with log x, and we have taken this sign of minus outside of this bracket. So it is x upon x is 1, 1 upon x is that log x. Now if we put x equal to 1 again, it will be 0 upon 0 again. Log 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 upon 1 is 1, minus 1 is 0, log 1 is 0. This is equal to limit x tends to 1, minus sign is already there. Derivation of log x is 1 upon x, 0, 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x. Differentiation again at this point we apply L'Hospital rule second time, because it is in the form of 0 upon 0. આ ફરીથી 0 upon 0 માં છે. log x નું વિકલન થશે 1 upon x, 1 નું 0, 1 upon x નું minus 1 upon x square, પણ minus નું સાઇન ત્યાં છે એટલે plus 1 upon x square, અને log x નું વિકલન 1 upon x. You can see that. હવે તમે ત્યાં x ની કિંમત 1 લખી શકો. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, and therefore it is minus 1 by 2. This will be answer. Check it properly and then we go further. There is a one more sum, y equal to limit x tends to 0, sec square x raised to cot square x. So here first we take log in both the sides. Here y equal to limit x tends to 0, sec square x raised to cot square x. So now we take log in both these sides, therefore log y is limit x tends to 0, cot square x log sec square x. Because whenever we are taking log, we can put their power as a multiple. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, log sec square x upon tan square x. So if we put x equal to 0, sec 0 will be 1 and tan 0 is 0, so it is 0 upon 0. So at this juncture we can apply L'Hospital rule. So it is limit x tends to 0. Log sec square means 1 upon sec square, or we can take 2 outside. 2 sec x. Sec x tan x upon 2 tan x into sec square x. So actually this is most easiest thing is to put these two outside of log. Means as a power we should take it as a multiple, but I did this, you can do this. Sec square x cancel, tan x cancel, 2 will be cancelled. So it is 1 upon sec square x, and put x equal to 0. So this is equal to 1, and therefore log y equal to 1, and therefore value of y is e, and this will be answer. मैं તમને એમ કીધું છોકરાઓ કે અહીંયાથી છે ને મેં અહીંયા sec square ને લઈ લીધું, otherwise you can take this two outside of log. તો તમે અહીંયાથી શું કરી શકો? This is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 upon sec x tan x. જો અહીંયાથી તમે કરો 2 તો આઉટસાઇડ ઓફ લિમિટ ગયા, log નું 1 upon sec, log sec નું, અને sec નું sec tan. અહીંયાથી થશે 2 tan x અને tan x નું sec square x. So now you can cancel out this, both of this will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled. Again answer will remain the same, but the method is different. And again we have 1, and therefore log y is equal to 1. And therefore y is second method. આ એની બીજી રીત છે. Okay, either way you can do, but this is the way how we do. So there are two more sums. The first one is 119 and the second is 120. So first you can see the 119. A raised to x minus b raised to x upon c raised to x minus b raised to x. So you can solve this sum same as we did in the 116. 116 માં જે કર્યું છે એ જ ફરીથી તમારે 119 માં કરવાનું છે. x બરાબર 0 લખશો તો ઉપર અને નીચે 1 - 1 થશે, એટલે કે 0 upon 0 થશે. ઉપર નીચે ડેરિવેશન કરો એટલે એનો આન્સર આવશે log a upon b minus upon log c upon d. ટ્રાય કરી જુઓ તમે જાતે. અને ત્યારબાદ આપણે દાખલા નંબર 120 માં જઈશું. પહેલા 119 ઉપર ફોકસ કરો. ઠીક છે. હવે 120 ઉપર તમે શરૂઆત કરો અને એની તમને હિન્ટ આપી દઉં, કારણ કે આપણે આ દાખલો નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ સોલ્વ કરીશું. એક્ઝામ્પલ જે છે એક્સરસાઇઝનો એ 120 માં તમારે એને પહેલા તો y કહી દો. અને બંને તરફ log લઈ લો. એની રકમ છે a⁻x + b⁻x + c⁻x 1/x. આ થોડું પાણીથી લૂછેલું છે એટલે થોડો ભીનો ભાગ રહી ગયો છે. પહેલા તો તમે આના માટે y લઈ લો, પછી બંને બાજુ log લઈ લો. This is a⁻x + b⁻x + c⁻x and whole this term is divided by 3 means 1/3 times this. એટલે log લેશો એટલે 1/x નીચે આવી જશે. ABC are real positive. ઠીક છે, કરજો, આપણે જોઈશું next time. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.